How to use equity scheduling. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use equity scheduling. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here on this website, as you can see, this is equity scheduling. This is powered by Squarespace, so you don't have to worry about any lags or whatever. It's a pretty decent website where you can manage and schedule all of your schedules as well, all of your appointments, booking, and all of that. So it's basically like your assistant, as it says over here, your online assistant 24/7. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So it's pretty simple over here. As you can see, you can organize all of your schedules, you can organize all of your clients, your appointments, and all of that. So over here, you just simply have to take 2 minutes and just simply sign up, right? So simply click on the try now button over here, and it's going to take you over here onto this website where you just simply have to log in with your Google account or your email address. You can continue to sign up with your email address. Even if you've created the same account with Squarespace, you can go ahead and link it with this one as well. But if you don't have it, you can use it separately as well. So just simply click on either one of these options and you are good to go. All right, so as you can see, now that I've signed up, it's now starting our scheduling trial over here. And once it's loaded up, we are good to go. So, all right. So now it's setting up our scheduling software, and just wait for a couple of seconds for it to load up. Once it's loaded up, you can go ahead and start using it. All right, so now once it's loaded up, all you have to do is simply enter in your name and the industry you work in. So for example, let's just say that you have a salon business, right? So, or a barber shop. So let's just call it John's. And over here, you can just enter in barbershop over here and click on next. And then over here, you just set up your availability. So it can be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Thursday as well. Now you just have to enter in the time as well. So for example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 10 p.m., right? So I'm just simply going to call it from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Boom, there you go. Then you just simply copy that and paste it over here on the others, and now you have yourself an appointment. So weekdays are off, but we don't mind. All right, so now we just simply click on next and you are good to go. So now it's either appointment or classes. Since we are a barbershop, so we're gonna offer one-on-one services, so we're just gonna choose appointments and click on next. And over here, you just enter in your services. Over here, let's say you have the standard haircut or the signature haircut, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to cost you around $20. And the duration can be from anywhere between an hour and a half. It depends on the type of service you offer. So let's just say 60 minutes, or actually, I mean, 60 minutes for a haircut is pretty long. So let's go with 40 minutes and then simply click on next. And now you just simply have to receive your payment. So you can continue this later, or you can do this now. It all depends on you. You just simply connect your Stripe account or your PayPal account. It's very simple. Or you use Square payment as well. It's pretty simple. You just enter in your account and you simply click on connect and you're good to go. So we're gonna do this right later. We're gonna skip this for now, and boom, this is how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, it's now loading up over here our account, our client database, and boom, here we go. So as you can see, we have set up our availability, we have created appointment times. Now we just need to customize our scheduling page and sync our other calendars. All right, so over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. All right, they start from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. all the way up to Friday. Yeah, it looks good. Now we just simply click over here, customize your scheduling page. Over here, you have your appearances, you have scheduling page options, advanced CSS. If you have a, special CSS code, like a custom code that has like your own customization option, then you can go ahead and add that over here. But for now, we're just going to stick to the standard one over here. So templates are either monthly or daily. So I'm going to select monthly because it just gives you a better, overall view. So over here, let me just expand it. So over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like, right? So then we have our logo over here. You can upload your logo if you have one. If you don't have one, just simply click over here. Squarespace also provides a logo creation over here, creating tool that you can easily create your logo. Simply enter in the company name. So since it's John's, I'm just simply going to enter that, click on next. And now we just enter in our logo. So we can search for, our logo over here, like maybe scissors over here. Let's search for that one. Search for that logo over here. We have a bunch of different ones. So maybe this one, or this one or this one. It all looks good. It all depends on you, right? Maybe even this one. I think this looks pretty nice, or this one. I think this looks cool. We're gonna continue with this one, and we'll just simply click on save logo and download the logo over here. Then choose whichever logo you want. It's gonna be a black logo with a white background over here. Then you have your white over here, and then you have your black PNG style, whatever you want. So we're gonna choose the white one since it's downloaded. Let's go ahead and take a view. So now we go back to the scheduling website and we choose our logo. Here it is. Expand the view over here. Can't really see it because it's white. Maybe if we put in the black one, actually. Let's go with the black one and see if we can see that one. Oh, for now we can't see it. Maybe it will show up later. All right. So now we have our time format, languages, and then you have your time zone. Then you have your other options over here, like fonts. You can change your fonts over here. You can change the body background. You can make it red or blue or whatever you want. Then you have your header text over here. You can put it gray, or you can go with a really bright color, whatever you want, or you can go with the white one. Scheduling background, you can go with a gray color or a black color. It all depends on you. Maybe even a lighter blue color or a purple, however you feel like it. I think yellow looks nice. So let me see over here. It's a little too colory for me. I'm just simply going to continue with the gray one, or actually just select black. Black also looks nice. Then we just enter in the colors for the scheduling text over here. So it can be red as well. So if we expand the view, this is how it looks like. I personally don't like that, so we're going to stick with the white one. I think that looks nice. Then we go with the button accent over here. We can go with the light blue color. It all depends on you. So now let me just change it to black again. I think this looks much nice with the white background and a black text. I think that looks much nice with the blue overall background. Yeah, I think that looks much nice. And once that's done, you just simply click on save changes. And your changes will be saved and you are good to go. Then you can change the scheduling wording as well if you want to. And then you have scheduling page options as well over here. As you can see, wait for it to load up a little bit. Okay, so this is how overall looks like with the logo as well. And then you have scheduling pages options. Let me go over there. All right, so over here, this is pretty much done. Now we can go ahead and add scheduling pages. We can disable recurring appointments, require phone number. We can add, like, we need the phone number since we need that. We can add that. We can hide the duration or hide the prices. We don't want that. We want to show all of the other things. We just wanted to disable. We just want to have like a require phone number button, and we'll just simply click on save changes and we are good to go. Next, all that's left for us to do is just simply sync with our other calendars and we are good to go. So if you click over here, you can sync with your Google Calendar, all these options. So if you click over here, you can go ahead and connect your Google Calendar to your Google account. Just simply click on allow and you are good to go. You can connect to other services as well, such as iCloud or Outlook or Outlook Exchange, Outlook.com, one-way subscription, whatever you want. And once that's done, you are good to go. So then just simply click on activate and you are good to go. So over here, select your Google account. All right, set reminder for 15 minutes before the appointments. Yeah, get notified, and then we just simply click on save, and yep, that is good as well. Now all we need to do is just simply now we are good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know about. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and go to your website, connect to your scheduling options with your website or commerce store or email campaign or whatever you want. It all depends on you. So that's pretty much it. That's all the things that you need to know about Acuity and how you can use it and how you can schedule your appointments over here and how you can create, customize your calendar over here. Next, over here, they basically ask you to customize email and text reminders, accept payments, and gather client info with intake opt forms. So you can go ahead and do all of this on your own. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard at all. And over here, as you can see, you have your client email, client SMS, booking alerts, all of that, and you are good to go. So pretty much that's it. That's how you do it. That's how you use Acuity scheduling. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.